Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway traverse triple step. Knowing how to do a sway traverse already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a simpler triple step like a first move triple step would be helpful as well. So I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them and go back and look at them if you need it. We're going to jump straight in. This is one of those moves you could do any length. You could do it straight, you could do it curved, you could do it in a circle. We're going to do a loop round to fit the space we've got. But obviously you do whatever you want to do. So it looks like this. It goes 7, 8, back, wrap, back, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, away, face, return and back. So let's break that down. Starts like a standard sway traverse. We go back, we go wrap, we go back on the right, over on the left, then it's double time and we end up going forward, side, back, side. Now we just replace the first step of that sequence with the triple. So we go right, left, right, side, back, side. Triple again, triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, and then we could carry on, or we could just finish the sway by sending the lady away and face, return and back. We'll do it from the other corner so you get the other view, and we'll talk about the timing. Standard sway traverse timing to begin with, so we go back, wrap, back, forwards. Then we go into our sequence that we normally call 1, 2, 3, 4, where we're taking 2 steps per count usually, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And now all we're going to do is replace 1 with a triple, so we get triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, send the lady away and face, return and back. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, sway traverse, triple step. We go a back, wrap, back, forwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, triple step, 2, 3, 4, away, face, return and back. And that is the sway traverse triple step. Hope you find that one is good fun and ends up part of your regular routines. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Thank you to everyone who does that. And notifications, if you've got them turned on, the little bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss it. Music recommendation on the end, just a link to a music video that will be a song that will be good to dances to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.